As we move into the holiday and winter season, let's see what are some staging tips for selling your home during the holidays. Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. We all love holidays decor, and there is something magical about the season. But if you are planning on selling your home during this time, do not go overboard with the decorations and scares buyers away. Here are some tips to consider. Make it smell good. Warm scents such as baked goods or cinnamon can make a home tour pleasing to the buyers. Make it cozy. Winter is the perfect time to have fireplace going. Decorate with lighting and warm colors, plus add pillows and blankets. Winter curb appeal. We all know landscaping tends to look sparse during the winter. That's why it's important to power wash the exterior, illuminate pathways with lighting, have a nice doormat in front of the door, and add some winter shrubs. Turn the lights and heat on. No one likes to walk into a cold and dark house, especially if you are a buyer. Make sure to keep lighting on. Also, keep the house warm with heat so buyers will want to stay in your property and visualize themselves in your space. If you like more winter tips on selling your home or what maintenance repair you should do before you list, reach out to me so I can help you strategize your sale. Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty, always ready and happy to help.